This magnificent country house is for sale. Located in Taunton, Somerset, England, it offers 9 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. A restored early 20th century country house set within approximately 20 acres of private parkland, offering over 15,000 square feet of accommodation across 4 floors. The house includes multiple reception rooms, a large kitchen with pantry and utility spaces, a winter garden, cinema room, wine cellar, principal suite with extensive dressing areas, and several additional bedrooms and bathrooms. Further features include a games room and a studio. The estate also includes a separate 3-bedroom lodge, a fully equipped brewery, and a range of outbuildings. The grounds comprise formal gardens, a walled kitchen garden, orchard, paddocks, and woodland, providing a well-balanced and private country estate. The asking price of this magnificent country house is £6 million. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.